Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys. If you are job seekers, then this video is for you. So previously I have shared many resources related to DSA, startup list, web development and many more. So if you are looking those resources, go check out these videos where I have shared resources related to tech, some remote startups, Mumbai startup list, 900 plus startup hiring remotely, Noida and aptitude resources, Pune startup list, free web development resources, okay, and DSA resources, so many resources which I have previously shared. ATS friendly resume template, free aptitude material, okay. So if you don't want to miss videos like these, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon, okay. So let's start the video. In today's video I'm sharing list of major software companies in India. So you will get this startup list from all over the India. Actually, as you are facing a lot of problems not getting replies from the companies, also you don't know from where to apply. So what also you can do, you can visit these startups, visit their website, see job openings and apply directly with the resume links. Or if you get their email ID from the website, then do cold emailing. Do not spam, just inquire about job inquiry first. Before that, analyze about their company and create a very good compelling cold email, so that yeah, they can think you can be benefit for their company. So if we check the list contains almost 800 plus startup list. So some might maybe expired, but almost every startup list is working. If I open any of the, okay, this one is not, it's in under construction mode. So if we visit any other, so when we visit to their website, we can easily get about the company, and we have to find the career section. If we can easily get the career section, mostly we get in their footer or navbar. So here I get on their footer. So there are these roles for developer roles, for software product role, for marketing roles. So you can apply with this directly. If you are not getting career section, you mostly get their email in footer. You can email them or reach out to social media, okay. So these are the things that which you can follow. If we check more companies like this, so based on the filter you can search. For example, if you're looking for Delhi or Mumbai, just search about the company and the location, okay. If I'm looking for Mumbai location, just with the filter you will get Mumbai locations companies. So almost 100 plus Mumbai startup list, okay. Some are like MNCs, but mostly are uh, startups of different sectors. So you can search like what are the services they provide, okay. I will bring more videos like this. So if you don't want to miss, then do follow. And if you need any help or any more resources, comment in the video. Okay, I'll mention the seat link in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.